There's a whole bunch of water in the bottom of here. Probably because I've got a big old crack in my hinge. I am going to attempt to replace this broken hinge with a replacement hinge that I bought online. There's some rivets that need to be drilled out. I'm going to drill out the side that's attached to the RV first, pull the whole mechanism out, and then drill out the rivets that are attached to the door, pull off the old hinge. First things first, you gotta unscrew the hinge. Now what I need to do is start drilling out rivets from the top.
Have you done your research?
Let's see if I can do it. You know what I might do? What I'm going to do instead of that, I'm going to cut the center part of the hinge. So I got my trusty finger slicer. Always cut away from yourself or it will be a finger slicer. I'm going to slice that.
Wow.
That's all that was holding this door on.
It's like when you have a tooth that's like just about to fall out. It's like hanging on like a little piece of gum.
This is the second half of the hinge, and I gotta take all these rivets out. Up on the top here is the other half of it. Lots of goofiness. That was not nearly as bad as I expected it to be. I drilled out the rivet, the head of the rivet, which left the body of the rivet. I have these cool cutters. Just pull the head off the back. So much better than drilling them out. A little bit of a torque action when you cut into it. So now to drill out the top rivets off this hinge piece. I do need to kind of mark where I'm going to cut and figure out how I'm going to cut this, because I don't think I have a hacksaw with me. I think I have a different one of these that might have a blade, but I didn't think that one out too well. So I'll be figuring something out in the minutes to come. That's definitely not going to do it. This is teeny tiny. In a desperate situation comes desperate measures. We'll see if this will do it.